Okay, good luck. See you in a couple of days.
Yeah, goodbye.
Woo!
You can come if you want.
Are you guys ready?
Woo!
Yeah.
Right, this is Sawkill. And here we are. Red Hook, rented by the day camp for Ramapo. So here's the old house. This is the International Theater there. ED Hall, which is like their AP.
Oh, do we own it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's the camp director's house where we will evac if there's lightning. Here is our gear. Another clip here. So I can
also actually covered on the side.
yeah.
Okay.
No, I mean, can you take it with one hand?
No,
Getting used to the camera. Fun! No, not fun.
How about you, Anissa?
it's also heavy. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. 5 minutes for you or for us with?
It's 2 minutes without this, 5 minutes with this. Okay, we're gonna split into 2 groups, and each group is gonna hang a tarp, so we can be under the tarp.
We will show you how to hang a tarp.
I mean, we need at least one for each corner.
Stop. Gabby, seriously, you have no idea how much.
Where do you want it?
Like, well, we need mushrooms, but we don't.
So we've gotten settled down here at camp, and now we're making dinner. We're gonna have like a vegetable soup with carrots and potatoes and tomato, garlic, onion, and a bunch of other herbs. A bunch of people just helped with making the fire, and yeah, so we've gotten settled down and now are relaxing and making dinner. Yes, it's gonna fall off.
It's gonna fall off.
Ah! No! It got burned!
What is that?
S'mores.
It looks so delicious. Is it delicious?
Yes.
It was delicious. Of course, without chocolate. The chocolate is too. I don't know.
Oh wait, you got the bed back.
Sweet?
Yes!
One chocolate bar for everybody, whether you're halal or not.
How are you feeling?
Feeling like like we should go home.
Okay, so for breakfast we can have one bar, one fruit, and one tortilla or pita. And we will each have one tortilla or pita for lunch, and we can also have bars.
I think that, like, personally for me, that shows like really good leadership skills to have the confidence to ask the entire team about our opinions instead of just going with what you want.
Okay, do like everybody who wants egg, grab a tortilla so we can just put in the tortilla.
Good morning. It's day 2, and today we're going to the Minnewaska State Park or Central Park. I don't know. We're gonna see 2 waterfalls on our way, and I think we're hiking about 6 miles. It's currently like 9 o'clock, and we're about to start the day.
Because rain and sunshine, we shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Took an oath I was stick it out to the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, don't let you still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my
This is going to take, this is where we are now. We take upper Washington green. Stay on the green.
Oh, that's really fresh. We're like an hour into our hike. It's fun.
Come on, Disha. Get closer. Okay, who wants to go and catch it?
No one is going to touch that.
Not me. With my left, I'll be dead into the It's not orange. So fun.
What did you make for your lunch?
Sausages, which are really spicy. It's just a sandwich.
Cool. And what did you make for lunch?
I made something that Clara made, and I said that I'd try it. So it's pita with feta, spinach, and dried fruit.
Oh.
Yeah, it doesn't really.
Do you like it?
I mean, it's interesting.
That's no brook. Mountain. It's not really a mountain, but it's the highest peak of that area.
How are you feeling? Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Okay,
1, 2, 3.
Let's say I'm alive.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I'm alive, I'm enthusiastic!
How was the trip? Hike.
We saw a snake
The black
and it
one?
slithered across, and it was really nice.
Okay. What did you like the most?
The waterfall. Very
Yoo-hoo.
core memories here.
Awesome.
No. How was the trip? How was the trip?
Very good.
What did you enjoy the most?
The view.
How was the trip?
It was good.
What did you enjoy the most?
I enjoyed the waterfalls.
Okay.
How was the trip?
How was the trip?
Really fun. We had a lot of fun, and we did so much fun. We did shower in the rain, like
but it was fun.
the waterfall. We were showering. It was beautiful. Really fun.
Very nice. The waterfall.
The water?
Waterfall.
Waterfall and the Echo Rock.
Echo Rock.
Echo Rock and the waterfall. Echo Rock waterfall.
What?
And the cliff.
Yeah.
Oh my god, yeah.
Welcome home.
I think today is a class.
Successful trip.
In the crates. So it's in a bear back then. Because everything that was in the cooler is still in the cooler.
Finally, I need a rose.
Oh, yeah. Okay. No, that's not. It's just, it's like 2 leaves.
How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? Watching you stand alone, all of my doubts suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believe I will find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for
No, it's not. We could
Yeah, I can do it.
use the candle. I don't want you to burn.
Oh my god.
Water.
Just
Can we put water on it?
Wait, what?
Because it's oil.
Oh, it's oil?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought it was water.
Oh god.
We shouldn't.
I think it's going to be.
It's our first fire. But not potatoes.
Okay, I'll just die then.
Go Dilshah.
Half a cup. Go Dilshah. Go Tilly. Go Tilly. Go Tilly.
yeah. Oh.
No, you need to take
Oh, I did it!
How do you feel?
Good. I'm a winner.
Yeah. Super shy. Super shy.
I'm super shy. Super shy. Wait a minute while I make you mine.
Make you mine.
Tell you about super shy. Super shy. I enjoy camping. It feels so good. I mean, the first night I felt so bad, but now
Yeah, I mean,
I feel as if I've been camping for a week or months.
Why did you feel bad the first day?
Because it was so uncomfortable. We got out of our comfort zone. And when you get out of your comfort zone, you feel first kind of homesick and won't go back because you're not used to these things. And once you get used to it,
Is there a possibility
you
of
finally feel
another
good.
bowl so that everyone can take as much as they want without?
I'm super excited to try it because I haven't tried it before. And yeah, that's not usually something, I don't usually eat something like this. So it's new and exciting and also special because we made it here outside.
on fire.
On fire.
It's here, it's here.
Do you want to comment?
It's good. Yeah, sure.
I want bacon. The question is, what do you think of our hiking trip today?
It was so amazing. Especially I loved the waterfall, how we had fun there. Yeah. Also I loved I think we were in a Hamilton Point. Yeah, but the view there was amazing. Also when we were sitting near the lake and we were having lunch there, it was so aesthetic.
It was tiring, but it was fun. I'm really glad that I was a part of it. We had a lot of fun.
So today's hiking trip was amazing. It exceeded all my expectations. It was so much fun. My favorite part was definitely the waterfalls we saw because we took a shower in them basically, and my socks are still wet and I'm probably gonna get trench foot because Mom, don't look at this. I've worn wet socks all day. So yeah, it was amazing. How have you liked being a nature trip leader so far?
It was exciting, organizing all the stuff and having to deal with the challenges that we faced, but it was also exhausting because we were walking for more than 4 hours, but I think that everybody enjoyed it, so it was worth it.
I think that overall it's been a great adventure because before coming here everyone was like, oh, you're gonna hate it, it was horrible, I didn't like it. So I was like, oh my god, I'm a nature trip leader, I don't know if this is going to be okay. But I think we did, like yesterday we set everything up, and even though it rained we managed to still have some time together, sing songs, and make dinner. And I made patatas revolconas con pimentón de la vera, which is an original recipe from my region. It's called Extremadura in Spain, and it's basically made of potatoes with either bacon or well, garlic, eggs, and this pimentón de la vera, which I brought from my town.
Maybe we should see what we're gonna make first. What are we gonna eat?
Yeah, because we might not use.
Do you want me to make shakshuka?
Yeah, because there's shakshuka.
I don't know. I feel like it'll be like a fun, I know this is like not probably the first priority, but I think it'll be like a fun camping experience to have a breakfast besides like eggs for the second time. I can start it as soon as I wake up. And then, I mean, what's 3 hours from 7, 8, 9, 10?
I think we should do like light breakfast. Yeah, maybe you want an apple, maybe you want bread, but like just things that won't take us too long. 'Cause, like we have to eat
when we wake up, but we also have to unpack everything.
Can I suggest something?
What?
How about everyone packs first, and then we try and get it done really, really fast, except the cooking tools. And if we have time, we can make oatmeal / shakshuka if we have time left over. Because if not, then all we have to do is pack up the kitchen tools, which will take us like 15 minutes.
You mean after we're done packing?
Yeah, let's just pack everything but the kitchen tools.
I think that we need energy first. We're gonna be packed by 9:30.
And then
We
So then we do have
to make
so we do have time.
Maybe it would be better to do it like that. Two teams do it at the same time.
Yes. Because then after it's not just cooking, you have to wash them also.
Who would like to cook?
It gives motivation to people cleaning them.
I not murder a saying that even though we all had a low expectation of that saying, we still try to do it all in a fun way. We didn't sit there and said like, I don't like the street, I don't want to be here. We still kept doing everything we could so we could bring comfort here. Therefore, I think that we all like it because it is comfortable here. Thanks to all of us.
Yeah.
But overall, I think that it was a very nice experience. It met my high expectations.
Wait, and then I'll just say one last thing, and then we should probably wrap up. We all got around 24,000 steps today. So yay!
24,000.
Oh really? Without that? Oh my goodness.
I think 24,000.
Wait, 24,000?
But without the hike.
Hi.
Hi.
Did you know what time wake up is? Please wake us up.
6:40.
Yeah. So 40% chance of rain. About 20.
It rains only in the afternoon.
Yep. About 20 degrees.
Oh, there's a key spider. Is it inside the tent or like between the? It's not inside. It's not inside. Oh yeah, no, it's in the net. Okay.
I've already killed 2 today. So bad.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry.
Is it
Go.
inside? Is there? Yeah.
You may proceed.
Can you kill it?
Why are you laughing?
What's inside?
Are you kidding
You-
me? Imagine it gets in your mouth while you're sleeping.
I think I swallowed a spider just now.
Good night, sweetheart. Well, it's time to go. Ba-da-da-da-da. Good night, sweetheart. Well, it's time to go. Ba-da-da-da-da. To leave you, but I really must say, good night, sweetheart. Good night.
No, mine doesn't look like this. I don't know. It's supposed to hook on like this, but I think that's gonna open the side.
You're definitely opening it from the side.
Oh! The bees keep trying to approach our delicious smelling pot, Tilly.
I love that. Gabby, you have so many good quotes.
Thank you so much.
We should make a quote book just for you.
I know, I'm so sad they made us decide our yearbook quotes so early in the session.
You did it all, but I just wanted to clap.
I'm making shakshuka right now. I've never had shakshuka before, but I saw it on a TV. What? I've never had shakshuka before.
Neither have I.
But I saw it on a TV show once, and it looked so delicious. And I had something similar at a restaurant once. It was like it was from a different country, and it was like their version of shakshuka, and it was really, really good. And ever since then, I've wanted to make shakshuka. So when I talked to Somin, the other nature trip leader, I'm not a nature trip leader, but one of the nature trip leaders, and she was like, yeah, we're making shakshuka. I was like, that's so crazy. And then I like pushed probably too hard for this shakshuka to be made.
Well, yeah, I thought you were like shakshuka expert because
Never made it before. Eaten it kind of once.
I think I heard the owl and then I was like, wait a minute, that was an owl, and then I fell asleep before I heard it again. So there's a good chance that it was just Gabby walking.
The orange is so like colorful in this shot.
And it tastes amazing.
What did you make for breakfast?
I made tortilla with spinach, turkey, and roasted tomatoes.
Is it good? And you?
I'm waiting for the shakshuka.
Oh no! Tilly,
Nice
this did
job,
not happen
Tilly.
again!
Nice job, Tilly. There's a high chance that you will see me drop one of these tomatoes because it has now happened 5 times. Our bad.
न जाने किस पे आएगा अपना दिल तो आवारा न जाने किस पे आएगा हसीनों ने बुलाया गले से भी लगाया बहुत समझाया यही न समझा बहुत भोला है बेचारा न जाने किस पे आएगा है अपना दिल तो आवारा न जाने किस पे आएगा हुआ जो कभी राजी तो मिला नहीं काजी जहाँ पे लगी बाजी वहीं पे हारा एक टूटा हुआ तारा न जाने किस पे आएगा है अपना दिल तो आवारा न जाने किस पे आएगा
Bravo!
Can I have everyone's thought on leaving today?
I'm living today. Well, I really want to use a good bathroom.
Yes. Clara?
I want to shower.
Shower. Sandra?
I don't know. I'm okay here. I'd say, well, get a good sleep.
Get a good
A
sleep.
pillow. I need a pillow to sleep.
Yes. Wow. Wow. There goes Sandra. Go. She rolls the tent.
See, I'm getting
There goes the air bubbles. Will it fit in the bag? Probably not. It looks like a croissant.
Like what?
A croissant. The sticks go in. Will it fit?
No, it won't.
Will it zip? Currently we are struggling a little bit. Use your legs. Elena uses her strong hands to close it. Sandra uses her strong legs to close it. Will the tent close?
I think it's an emergency, can I?
Blow the whistle. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, we heard some zip. Oh, oh, oh. Will it zip?
It will.
Yay!
Yeah.
Wow, it looks
I don't even care.
very demented.
Landing here is nothing is impossible.
Nothing is
If we
impossible.
can see that tent, you can pursue your dreams.
Wow. What an amazing quote. Something is going on there. Tilly, may I ask what you're doing?
Oh my darling. That's a song, you know.
Lots of stuff.
My pumpkin, hello honey bunny toka toka.
Some sticks, Tilly.
Are you excited for the shakshuka?
Yes, especially because I put the spice in there.
Clara, what do you think about the shakshuka?
I won't eat it.
You won't eat it, but do you think it looks good?
Yeah, it looks really good.
It looks good.
Is there a reason you don't want any?
I've already eaten wraps.
I understand.
I'm so excited for the shakshuka.
also
Are
took
you
me a
excited for the shakshuka?
Of course, I never had it and I really want to eat that.
Wow.
I'm
Sorry.
Yeah, you can see a little bubble right here.
Something is wrong with Tilly, guys. She had something this morning. Are you concerned?
I'm concerned for Tilly's well-being.
Yes, I agree. There she goes, folding like a flip phone again. Do it again.
Yo!
Don't fold like a flip phone. Oh. Dick shakshuka. Oh my goodness. Vita, are you okay? Did you have something this morning too?
I think she poisoned me.
She poisoned you.
You spent too much time with me.
Yeah.
We need a camping trip to group
Flip
bonding.
phone!
The group bonding in question.
Wow, this is a very... What a cool sculpture. Yeah. Anissa, can you pose? Wow.
I can see it getting smaller though.
Yeah. Ta-da! Wow.
Oh, I see it poaching a little. This will take a while to cook. You guys can go ahead and Whoa! Let me do one more because it's brothy. Thank you. Very hot. Oh my god, we didn't get a picture. Okay, I'll just cry. What?
I'm so happy and proud of myself and Tilly. Where's Tilly at? Thank you, Tilly. Tilly helped a lot. I'm so happy with how this turned out. It's my first time eating shakshuka after thinking about it for years, and it's delicious. I'm very happy.
I know. I'm here now.
I have just 3 things on my mind right now: shower, bed, mosquito net.
1, 2, 3.
Tilly is so happy. Are you happy about it?
Yes, it's very badass. Look. So cool. I'm not happy about it. I broke
Oh my god, there's a small
streak
animal.
of not having ticks, which I feel bad because we were gonna be the only group without getting ticks.
So you were the only one that got a tip?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Congratulations. Welcome home. Okay.
I just wanna lay in my bed.
Hello, Amelia. Hello.
Like picking up my phone. So leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything.